Of course, acupuncture is extremely safe when done by somebody who is licensed, like myself, and it's extremely safe when we use pre-sterilized disposable needles. And the least that can happen is perhaps a little bruise, but that is something that happens quite infrequently. And the state of California has stated that acupuncture is safe and effective when done by a properly licensed acupuncturist. So you can rest assured that you will not have a problem from acupuncture or the other methods that we use at our clinic, because we're well trained, licensed, and very experienced as well, with more than 30 years experience in how to properly work with patients. Many people ask, will my insurance cover the treatment you offer at this clinic? Well, the answer to this is that we really need to check and find out what insurance coverage you do have. If it's a work injury, we have to have authorization in advance to see you, unless you're coming in fresh off the work comp injury. If it is a personal injury case, you had car accidents, then we need to check with your insurance company when you come in and get all the details about that. If it's private pay insurance, then we need to also get the information from you from your insurance card, and we will check and see if there is coverage. Kaiser and some other plans also cover insurance, and we need to have authorization from them in order to see you without your having to pay out of pocket, except for perhaps a deductible. And of course, we always accept cash, checks, and credit cards to pay for the services we provide to you to help you get healthier, stronger, and back to functioning so you have a more fun, free, relationship-filled, and organized life. Besides time, money is another issue that people frequently ask about with respect to how much will it cost for me to get better. Well, for many people, they have insurance coverage, and this helps to defray the overall cost. Insurance does not cover everything, just like your car insurance will not cover the cost of cleaning the car, paying for gasoline, tune-ups, etc. Insurances only cover the things that the insurance covers. So if there are herbs, there's other treatments that are necessary, then the expense could be more for one person than for another person with much less positive and a worse insurance plan, because there are some really excellent insurance plans that cover a lot more, and there are insurance plans that only cover the bare minimum. Now, if someone's paying out of pocket, we find ways to make the treatment that they need affordable for them. Because the question is, for example, how much would a liver transplant cost? How much would it cost to have a lung removed if your lung is falling apart, if it's degenerating? Or a heart. How much is a heart surgery, a valve replacement? If we can help you avoid that problem and have a healthy life unrestricted by things like pacemakers, or unrestricted by having to go and have a liver transplant and have anti-rejection therapy, how much would that be worth to you compared to what we offer? So it's all a matter of perspective. The question arises is what therapies work well together with acupuncture, and if I'm having it on the same day, which should I have first? Well, we find that acupuncture works very well with a wide variety of other treatment modalities. Certainly, I refer people out to chiropractic, and for massage, we have massage therapists here at our office, not uncommonly, and massage therapists and chiropractors refer to my clinic as well. Some people find that having the chiropractic earlier in the day, before the acupuncture, enables them to actually sleep better and relax more when they're having sleep difficulties or pain at night. So that's some people. Now, other people find that the acupuncture actually helps to relax the muscles and improve the circulation so that the chiropractic adjustments go easier and they stay better. So it really depends on the individual as to what works best in the sequence. And sometimes we may actually have the acupuncture first one day and then the acupuncture after chiropractic, or massage the other day. I hope that helps. So people ask, what kind of things can I do or shouldn't I do before the acupuncture treatments to enhance the effectiveness of acupuncture? Well, one of the things that we find is that you should not eat a heavy meal an hour or so before the acupuncture treatment, because the circulation of blood is disrupted in the body. It's more focused on the digestive system, as it should be, rather than other parts of the body. And because acupuncture is dealing with circulation of blood and oxygen, among other things, we want to make sure that it's flowing as well as it can be to all parts of the body. Also, avoiding alcohol, stimulants, antidepressants, and narcotics for up to 24 hours before the treatment is preferred. Now, some people have heavy pain and they need to take these medications, but if at all possible, avoid those so that we can actually see what is going on with your body without the influence, or without being under the influence of these particular medications, which do have very powerful effects, and they alter the energy, the circulation of blood and oxygen throughout the body, as well as alter the brain chemistry, the endorphins, the enkephalins, the substance P, the anti-inflammatories that are all a key component of a healthy body. We also ask that you not bathe or shower within an hour of your treatment, and that is primarily because there are particular bouquets, particular odors that the body emits when there is a particular organ imbalance. And if we have an opportunity to be able to smell the natural fragrance that the body has, it is one of the components of diagnosis that's helpful for us in best helping you achieve maximal health and vitality through the acupuncture treatments. So that's why we ask that you not shower beforehand, because that would alter the smells. If obviously we encourage people to take showers and bathe at an appropriate frequency, and if you come in and you've already showered, don't worry about it. That's perfectly fine. But just particularly for some of the initial visits and some of the follow-up examinations when we're doing special re-exams on a periodic basis, it's best if that we can actually use all of our sensory organs. I can use my sight, my hearing, hearing sounds, looking at colors on the face, being able to smell the different odors that may give us this very complete picture of where the imbalances are in your body, so that we can more helpfully address and correct the dysfunction going on in your system. Acupuncture is also not recommended within a half hour of extremely vigorous exercise or working out. This, of course, does not apply to professional athletes, because frequently we will do acupuncture treatments right after or before special events in order to maximize a person's performance, their speeds, their clarity, their ability to focus. So this half-hour restriction is applying more to the non-professional, the person who's not constantly doing these activities. It's not part of their peak performance regimen.